I've been here almost 30 years. You know, this is like a family to me. We're always looking for new ways to keep our people safe. A few years back, we realized if one of our people that run the loader had an emergency, we didn't have an easy way to get to them. So we had an idea to create a set of stairs so we could climb up into the loader to get to the operator if needed. So we did it. It speaks to the innovative spirit we have here. This kind of stuff is encouraged. It's great that the guys know that they can come up with ideas to help our fellow employees at a time of need.